Hello students, let us see one problem. Okay, what is the problem, student? Problem is calculate the radius of first, second, third and fourth Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. Right, student? They are saying, student, like that, suppose it is the nucleus. Okay, and that is nucleus, they are having the four orbits are there. Okay, this is the 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, this is the third orbit, and lastly this is the fourth orbit. This is the first, second, third and fourth. So they are asking the radius, student, what is the radius of this. Okay, then they are asking this, and then asking this is, and lastly they are asking this one. So this will be the first, this is the second radius, this is the third radius, and that is fourth radius. Right, student? What the Bohr gives the equations to solve the radius, student, the formula was there, like that is Rn is equal to it is 0.529 into n square upon z angstrom. Okay, now dear student, this is the radius. N means what? An orbit number. This is what, student, that is orbit number, right? Z means what? Atomic number. Okay, Z means what? Atomic number. Like what, if you are going for the atomic number, so for hydrogen if you are going, student, so atomic number 1. Okay, so if you are going for helium it is 2, lithium it is coming 3. Okay, beryllium if you are going it is 4. So that is what they are saying, student, that is we have to calculate the radius. Suppose if n is equal to 1, so R1 is equal to what will come, student? It will come 0.529 into n square, means that is n square. Z value how much for hydrogen? This is the 1. Okay, this is in the angstrom. So how much will come, student? 0.529 angstrom. Okay, this is for the radius 1. If you are going for second orbit, suppose you are going for the second orbit means what, student? N equal to 2. So for this orbit, how can you calculate, student? R2 is equal to 0.529 into what, student? N square upon z angstrom, right? So here will be 0.529 n square. Okay, n square means second orbit, n value could 2, so 2 square. Z value how much, student? That is for hydrogen 1, so that is 0.529 into 4 angstrom, right, student? So if you are calculating this, how much the value is coming, student? It will come, okay, if you are multiplying, how much coming, student? 2.116 angstrom. This is for the second orbit. So that is what R2 is equal to, it is coming 2.1. If you are going n is equal to third orbit if you are going, so what is that is R3 is equal to, student, 0.529 into n square upon z angstrom, right? So that is 0.529, n value how much? 3 square upon z value how much? 1 angstrom. So here you can say, student, 0.529 into 9 angstrom, right? So how much value is coming, student? Let us try to multiply this one. If you are multiplying it, its value is coming 4.761 angstrom, students, right? So this is the third orbit radius is 4.761 angstrom. Now if suppose for fourth orbit, if you are going for fourth orbit, right, student, for fourth orbit, so for fourth orbit n is equal to what, student? That is 4. So R4 is equal to what, student? 0.529 into what? 4 square upon what? For hydrogen z value is 1. This is in the angstrom. Okay, solve it out. 0.529 into that is 16 angstrom. Solve it out. If you are solving, its value is coming, student, 8.464 angstrom. So that is how you can calculate the radius of the hydrogen atom. Let us have a look over the one more problem, student. Okay, so what is the problem for this one? Let me write down the problem. Calculate the radius ratio of third and fifth orbit of helium. Question is there, student. Calculate the radius ratio, right, student? Calculate the radius ratio of, okay, third and fifth orbit of hydrogen atom. Fifth orbits of what, student? That is not hydrogen. You solve for the helium plus, okay, He plus ion. Okay, student. So dear student, firstly you see For the helium, n value that is 2 3 they are for third orbit, and n is equal to for the fifth orbit. Okay, they are talking about. And secondly, for a helium plus, that is z value how much, student? It will be 2, and here is also z value will be, that is how much, student? That is the 2. So let us, for third orbit, if you are calculating, they are asking that is ratio, right, student? So ratio of what, student? Third and fifth orbit. Third and fifth orbit. So how can you be able to solve, student? So r3 is equal to 0.529 into 0.529 into third orbit. What is there, student? That is n square upon z is there. Okay, and here you go, that is r5 is equal to what is 0.529 into n square upon z. So for third orbit, n value is 3, so you put out the value 0.529 into 3 square. Z value how much is there for helium 2? Again 0.529 into, that is n value how much is there? Fifth square upon, that is 2. Solve it out, student. 0.529 into 3 3 ja 9 upon 2, total divided by 0.529, that is 25 upon 2. Solve it out, student. 0.529 into, okay, 9 into 2 divided by 0.529 into how much it will come? 2 into 25. These cancel out, so that is ratio is coming, student, 9 ratio 25, means r3 ratio r5, it is coming 9 ratio 25, dear students. Okay, so here is, this is the our required answer. Let us have a look over one more problem, students. Let us solve the one more problem. They are saying calculate, what question is there, student? Calculate the radius ratio of, okay, radius ratio of what, student? Second orbit of hydrogen, second orbit of hydrogen, and what, student? Hydrogen, and third orbit of what, student? Third orbit of Li2 plus, right, student? This is our required. Let us do the solution, student. Let us try to solve it out. So that is, firstly you see, that is we are arguing, that is for second orbit and third orbit. So that is ratio they are asking, student, ratio. So r2h, hydrogen is equal to 0.529 into what? R2n, that is n value. Let me firstly write, that is, okay, formula. Firstly let us write the formula, then what it will come, student? R2, that is Li2 plus is there, R2 Li2 plus. So 0.529 into, that is what? Second orbit, not third orbit. So means R3 is there, student. So what is n? Here is n2 and here is n3 upon z. Put out n value. Here is how much, student? N value for hydrogen, how, which orbit you are talking about? H, H, that is second orbit. So second orbit means n is equal to 2, and lithium 2 plus, they are asking third orbit. Okay, they are asking about third orbit. So n is equal to how much? We have to put out the 3. So let us put out, student. So ratio, directly I am asking, ratio is equal to 0.529, n value for this hydrogen, that is 2 square, dear student, upon 1, total divided by 0.529, and n value how much? 3 square upon how much? Z value for lithium, Z value you see, student, Z value. Z means atomic number. For hydrogen 1, okay, helium this is 2, lithium it is 3, beryllium it is 4. So that is 3, right? Solve it out, dear students, solve. So 0.529 into, that is 4, divided by 1, total divided by 0.529, 3 3 ja 9 divided by 3. Simplify, 0.529 into 4 into 3, total divided 0.529 into 1 into, it will come 9, right, student? So that is here 5 to 9 cancel out, 3 3 ja 9. So it is coming, student, 4 ratio 3 is coming. It means R2 hydrogen ratio R3 lithium 2 plus ratio is coming 4:3, dear students, right? So this is what is our required answer, dear students. Let us try to solve one more problem on the basis of the radius, students. What the question is there? Calculate the radius of second excited state of Li2 plus. They are saying calculate the radius of second excited state. Okay, second excited state of Li2 plus. Second excited state means what, student? Firstly, you see that is here is this is nucleus, this is the first, then here is the second orbit, and this is third orbit. So if first excitation is there, this is the electron will be, this is the first excited. So first excited means electron is there in the second orbit, but this is the second excited is there, second excited. If you are talking about second excited, so electron will be, that is which orbit? Third orbit. Okay, so that is we can solve solution, you can do. Okay, second excited means, what is meaning of second excited state? Second excited means electron is present in, where electron is present, student? Electron is present in what is second orbit. Okay, the third orbit. Electron is present in third orbit, dear student. Okay, so if electron is third orbit, so R3 is equal to 0.529 into n square upon z angstrom. Okay, so which atom is there, student? Here you see lithium is there. Okay, so lithium 2 plus, so for z value how much atomic number, how much is there, student? 3. Or n value they are saying, that is already we calculated third orbit. So 0.529 into 3 square upon 3 angstrom, right? So you can say this is square and 3 cancel out. 0.529 multiplied by 3 angstrom. So how much it is coming? It is coming 1.587 angstrom, students. This is our required answers. Okay. One more problem which is a possible, students. What is the problem which we can solve this? Let us see the question. What is there? They are saying calculate. Okay, calculate the radius ratio. Calculate the radius ratio of second excited state. Second excited state of hydrogen. Okay, and first excited. Okay, first excited state of lithium 2 plus, right, student? So dear student, firstly you see one I am having the hydrogen, another we are having a lithium 2 plus. Okay, if you are talking about this, suppose it is nucleus, student. Here this is also nucleus. So this is the first orbit, this is the first orbit, this is the first orbit. Okay, mention. Then it will be, that is second orbit, and they are talking about this is the third. Here if you talk about this is the first. Okay, then it will be, that is second, and lastly it will be what, student? This is the third. So dear student, you see, calculate the radius ratio of second excited state of hydrogen. Second excited means this is the first excited, and this is the second excited. Means second excited means electron is here, so n value is 3. Here if we talk about, it is first excited. First excited means electron is there in the first orbit. So first excited, if you talk about first excited, so electron will be there here. So n is equal to how much it will be? That is 2, right, student? So dear student, let us try to solve. They are asking the ratio. So here is R3. Okay, R3 is equal to R3 hydrogen is equal to 0.529, or n value how much is there? 3 square upon z value is for hydrogen 1. Here is R2 is equal to 0.529 into 2 square upon how much it will come? 1. Lithium atomic number how much is there? Lithium is atomic number is 3. So that is second orbit, and that is atomic number 3, and here atomic number 1. So dear student, that is R3 hydrogen upon R, this is not R3, dear student, with n. Okay, here is 2. R3 hydrogen upon R2 Li2 plus is equal to how can you be able to solve? 0.529 upon 3 square divided by 1. Here is 0.529 upon, that is 2 square divided by 3. Okay, now solve it out, students, solve it out. So if you are solving, it is coming 0.529 upon 3 3 is 9 divided by 1, total 0.529 into 4 upon 3 equal to how much it is coming, student? This cancel out. So 9 upon 1 multiply by 3 upon 4, so it is 27:4. Okay, so here you can write, student, R3 hydrogen ratio R2Li2 plus equal to 27:4 is coming. So this is our required answer, dear students. So that is how we can be able to solve, dear students, problem based on the radius of the hydrogen on hydrogen like species, student. In the next video we will try to calculate the energy of the various orbit of the various Bohr orbit, student. Thank you so much for watching, student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.